Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here we are fixing these tiles, and I am going to show you how will you check the level of these tiles or the size of this tile. So this is very much simple. Take two tiles just like this. Okay, these are two tiles, and I have fixed. Show it to me. इसको उठाओ ज़रा ऐसे. Okay, so I have fixed it over each other just like this on a level surface. You have to fix it on a level surface. This is a level surface. Okay, now just look at this. Check at sides. Okay, this side completely smooth, this side is completely smooth, this side also is completely smooth, and this side is also completely smooth. This is for the size, that whether these tiles are of same size or different. So I have checked it. All the sides are of smooth size, so the size is okay. Now you have to check that whether it is leveled or not. So check this. Now look at this. It is same here. It is same here, and everywhere you can see that this line is straight. No up down is here. So this is how you can check the level of this tile. This is one of the very simple method that you can follow on any construction site, and this is how you can check the quality of any, not the quality, the size and the level of any tile. Okay, also through this method you can check the marble level as well, but this is one of the method that you can follow for tiles. Thank you.